Hey guys, I'm Tim. This is Newcraft Workshop, and if you watched my channel before, you know I do show you guys a lot of bargains and deals you can find on Amazon. And over the next couple of weeks, they've got their Prime Day coming up. And right now, they've got some items on pre-Prime Day specials. Items that are called lightning deals. They are usually 24 to 48 hours or until all quantities of that particular item are gone. I'm going to do my best to show you guys as often as I can. Hopefully we can do 4 or 5 of these a week, showing you guys 3 to 5 items that you need for your shop at prices you really should not be passing up. Again, these are all limited time specials. I have no idea how long these specials last. I have no idea how fast they're going to sell out. So if you see this video and you're in the market for any of these items, the quicker you jump on any of the links in the description below, the better off you're going to be as far as getting your hands on some of these deals. So that's all I got. Let's get into this video with item number 1. All right, let's get this kicked off with some T-Track by PowerTech. Now, comparable product, we're going to go over here and look at Rockler's house brand, 36-inch length. Look at the price you're going to pay for one piece. Let's head back over here to Amazon and let's look at this 6-pack, 42 bucks. These wind up being right at $7 a piece. 50% savings right now over what you're going to pay at Rockler for nothing more than the Rockler name laser etched on the T-Track. Not sure about you, but that's not worth the extra cost. Save yourself some money. PowerTech T-Track, headquartered in the US. Great product. It's extruded aluminum, mounts in your workbench, does its job. Save yourself some money. Next item. All right, if you've watched my channel before, you know I use almost exclusively Jorgensen clamps. Comparable item to this is going to be over here at Lowe's, where you're going to get the exact same clamps in a 2-pack for $30. Head back over to Amazon. Look at what they're running this on Lightning deal. You're getting 4 of these for $32. You're getting this at almost a 50% savings, what you would pay over retail at Lowe's. Amazon, drop it off at your door, no brainer. Next item. All right, let's talk about double-sided tape. I've talked about this before on my channel. Now let's head over to Rockler, where they've gotten smart and started carrying X-Fasten, which I've promoted before on Newcraft Workshop. They are selling the 3-pack of 60 feet rolls, which means you're going to get 180 total feet. Let's head over to Amazon. This new brand that they're selling is just as good as the X-Fasten, probably made in the same factory if I'm being honest with you. And look at this, you're getting literally twice the amount of tape for the same exact price. No brainer if you're in the market for some double-sided tape. Link down below, pick yourself up some before this lightning deal is gone. All right, on my channel, I have talked about this particular countersink bit once before, and I do have this as well as the Amana. Now, I love the Amana, but at the price point, it is a little out of some of my beginners on my channel's reach, so I am going to once again pop this up because it is now on Lightning deal. Once before I promo this thing, I think it was $18 or $19. Currently, it's on promo for $14.99. This is a great countersink bit, fully adjustable. The pilot bit is adjustable, the countersink is adjustable, and the part that makes contact when you drive your bit in rotates so you don't get any burning or marring. This is a great little bit. 15 bucks, pick it up, lightning deal. It won't be around forever. Next item. All right, let's look at these corner clamps. Now, I have promoted in the past this particular brand, a different style of clamp, and I absolutely love it. Everyone that ordered one on my Amazon links seems to be happy with their product as well. These are spring-loaded, and the closest thing I could find over at Rockler is going to be their house brand. Now, yes, these are not spring-loaded, but it is a very comparable concept, just a little bit different in the way it operates. You're going to pay 30 bucks for 2 of these over here at Rockler. You're going to get this 4-pack. Look at the price. That's right. Massive savings. This is going to do exactly what it needs to do. Hold your corners together while you brad them in place or tack them in place or pocket hole screw them in place or however you decide to connect them. Save yourself some money. Lightning deal. Pick it up now. Next item. All right, and last up, let's look at this double-sided Japanese pull saw. Comparable item over here at Woodcraft. Going to have a fine and a coarse side on each. This thing is 40 bucks. Head back over to Amazon. Check out the price on this lightning deal. This thing is normally, I think, $30 from what I recall. But look at this lightning deal price. This is amazing price. 15 bucks basically is all you're paying for a double-sided Japanese pull saw. If you do not have a pull saw in your shop, you need to add one today. It's become an invaluable component out in our shop. So that's all I got for you today. I'm going to do my best to pop up as many of these videos as I can between now and the end of Prime Day. Every single day, these lightning deals are so hard to pass up because some of the savings are something you won't see any other time during the year. So I'm going to do my best to do some shopping for you guys and show you what I think are absolute steals on some of these things you need out in your workshop. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Take 2 seconds, please, to give us a thumbs up. And most importantly, please leave us a comment down in the comment section. That's all I got for you this time. Got more of these videos coming up in the near future, as well as we're going to start doing some Harbor Freight because you guys asked for it. Lowe's, Home Depot, Rockler, Woodcraft comparisons, in-store videos. Hopefully we'll get all that stuff started in the next week or two, but until then, we will catch you guys on YouTube.